Well, I was going to start off with sort of summing up some of the overall themes, Melissa, if
Okay.
that's okay. And then Bob can start answering questions. So, one question that is foundational to the entire topic of the workshop is, what is the risk? What is the hazard that we're trying to protect people from? And that's going to vary, but that is the foundational question. And that there'll be a need for different devices in different applications. And another one is that conformity assessment is necessary to make sure that the respiratory protective gear is up to the task. But conformity assessment, as Rich started up by saying, is not sufficient to ensure that there is protection either by worker or the public. And we'll be touching more on this tomorrow. And then a very important question that I even brought up is, it would be nice if we had a national strategy to address both new risks like COVID-19 or innovations in technology, changes to standards. And again, we'll be touching on this tomorrow. We also need education. As Kevin brought up, both for employers and for workers and for the public. It's a big task for the public, especially. We need clear and simple messages. Again, we'll be talking more about this tomorrow. And there seems to be benefit to offering respirators or respiratory protective gear to the public outside of a respiratory protection program, but this really turns the current assessment program by NIOSH on its head. And again, we'll be talking more about this tomorrow. Child sizes, lack of fit testing, lack of training. And I think Bob Harrison's question to Rich early on about vocabulary is important, especially for the public. So I think those are sort of the overall themes that we touched on. And maybe I'll let Bob answer the first question that you want to put to him, Melissa.